So intervals. Now we're at grade 5, we've got this mixture of, we've got compound intervals in the mix. And remember, all compound means is that you've got an octave in between. All right. So let's take B. So take one box to name each interval. So we just start it as usual, all right? So we identify, step 1, identify the note names. So we've got F sharp. Always remember to double check the key signature and the clef. So F sharp, and it's going all the way through to B. Step number 2, count the letter names. So F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So I count 11 letter names, so it could be an 11th. But if we're talking about it being compound, and we bring that F sharp up to here, that 4th note on the stave, we could just be going F, G, A, B. Okay, so it could either be some sort of 11th, or it could be some sort of compound 4th. Now we need to work out the quality. And the quality is always going to be the same, okay? Whether it's an 11th or a 4th. Doesn't matter what name we give the numbers, the quality is going to remain the same. So we just work that out as usual. So step number 3, build a major scale on the lower note. So F sharp major, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. F sharp major has 6 sharps. Father, Christmas, gave, dad, and electric. Just done that last sharp. So there's our scale of F sharp major. Step number 4, the key question. Does the higher note appear in the major scale? Yeah, it does. So F to B is going to be either a perfect 11th or a compound perfect 4th. Okay, so what are our options here? Augmented 11th, no. Compound perfect 5th, close, but no. You see that there? Perfect 11th, yeah, we've got that. Major 11th, no. Okay, so there you go. There's your answer.